Today, I have a strange piece of information. A Twitter profile, named Nerdy Addict, has been doing an amazing job of assisting with missing persons cases. He has a drone, and the footage he obtains is so clear and insightful. He was the one that got the footage of Brian Laundrie's parents in their garden as well. Anyway, it was said that Robin, from the church that Summer and her family attends, owns a red Toyota Tacoma. As shocking as that may seem, there is more to this. Robin didn't deny that they owned a red or maroon Toyota truck. Nerdy Addict messaged Candus to find out what she thought about Robin and the red Tacoma. Candus replied that Robin is a good person and helping her get teeth done. I am not sure what that has to do with the red truck, but that is what Candus said. Something that came to my mind when I heard about this is the fact that Robin was one of the first people they called when Summer went missing. She drove up to their house that night. She has also been involved in handing out missing flyers for Summer and attending the prayer vigils. She has definitely faced her fair share of backlash, as people speculated that she was involved in Summer's disappearance. A strange occurrence is the blue minivan comment that Candus and Dawn made on Dr. Phil. Have you heard of a blue minivan in the Summer Wells case at all? It caught me by surprise. Why did they all of a sudden mention a blue minivan?